No! No! No!
You better stop!
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Oh, hi, thanks for checking in. I'm still a piece of garbage.
Have you ever had a dream that you had you could you want him to do you so much you could do anything?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bruh.
Yahoo!